In this video, I want to answer a question: is an Instagram promotion worth it? So first of all, the advantages of Instagram promotions. Targeted reach. Instagram promotions allow you to target specific demographics, interests, behaviors, and locations, ensuring your content reaches the right audience. Increased visibility. Promoting posts can significantly increase your visibility beyond your current followers, potentially attracting new followers and customers. Enhanced engagement. Promotions can boost likes, comments, and shares, which can enhance your engagement metrics and improve your profile's overall performance. Brand awareness. Regular promotions can help increase brand awareness and recall, making your brand more recognizable. Trackable metrics. Instagram provides detailed analytics on promotions, allowing you to track performance, measure ROI, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Factors to consider. Objective. Clearly define what you want to achieve with your promotion. Common objectives include increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Content quality. Ensure your promoted content is high quality, visually appealing, and relevant to your audience. Engaging content is more likely to perform well. Budget. Determine a budget that aligns with your marketing goals and financial capacity. Instagram allows you to set daily or lifetime budgets, giving you flexibility in spending. Audience targeting. Take advantage of Instagram targeting options to reach a specific audience. A well-targeted promotion is more likely to yield better results. Competitor analysis. Analyze what your competitors are doing on Instagram. This can provide insights into what works in your industry and can help you craft more effective promotions. Frequency and timing. Consider the frequency and timing of your promotions. Over-promoting can lead to audience fatigue, while strategic timing can enhance visibility and engagement. Now, the potential drawbacks. Cost. Depending on your budget, promotions can become expensive, especially if you're in a competitive industry. Temporary boost. Promotions can provide a temporary increase in engagement and visibility, but sustaining this momentum requires consistent effort and high quality content. Ad fatigue. If your audience sees your promoted content too frequently, they may become less responsive, leading to diminishing returns. So the conclusion. An Instagram promotion can be worth it if you have clear goals, a well-defined target audience, high quality content, and a responsible budget. It's essential to monitor the performance of your promotions and be prepared to adjust your strategies based on the results. For many businesses and influencers, Instagram promotions can be a powerful tool to enhance their social media presence and achieve their marketing objectives. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.